Soliloquy is the best responsive image slider. Its speed and ease of use allow you to customize and showcase your beautiful images and videos right on your WordPress website in minutes. Soliloquy's lightweight architecture allows users to choose what features they need rather than be forced to use a bloated plugin with features they may never use. Soliloquy allows users with no coding experience to customize its abilities to fit their particular needs, and gives developers abilities to customize it even further. Soliloquy prides itself on being the most SEO-friendly plugin on the market. Soliloquy works with all the popular WordPress SEO plugins. And above all, Soliloquy has refined its user interface to provide an intuitive way to use systems without sacrificing stability or quality. Soliloquy will just be as easy to use years from now as it is today. WooCommerce integration allows store builders and managers to create stunning product slideshows quickly. The dynamic add-on gives you the ultimate freedom to slide anything on your site. By using a shortcode or a tag, you can include any images in any custom order or any other items, regardless where they exist on your site dynamically. You can easily create responsive carousel sliders using the Lightbox images and galleries for your slider. You can set item widths, margins, minimum and maximum ranges, number of items to move per animation with an intuitive UI. You can even add captions, link images, and use videos hosted on your site or a number of third-party video sites. Enhance the look of your slider. Know a little CSS? You can customize your slider to degrees only limited by your imagination. With the featured content add-on, you can create sliders based on blog posts, pages, products, testimonials, and other custom post types and content types. With no code at all, you can control what content is being featured first to a user on any page. You can create a slider with your featured blog posts with attractive thumbnails. Podcasters can show off their latest episodes, and conferences can highlight speakers, sessions, and venues. When you're working on your site and have a question, you want to be assured you have reliable support within quick reach. Soliloquy is built by a team with multiple successful plugins and numerous 5-star reviews in the marketplace, so you can be sure the plugin is supported by quality folks in the WordPress space. As far as use cases go, photographers love Soliloquy. Photographers prefer the Lightbox add-in and full screen modules to display their slider lightboxes in a beautiful large viewing area. They use the WooCommerce add-on to offer their works for sale directly to their users without a third party. Blogs and informational websites can use Soliloquy to highlight their featured blog posts and important PDFs. This leads to a higher overall website engagement rate, since a slider is generally the first thing customers and visitors see when they visit a web page. Real estate companies on their website can take advantage of Soliloquy to showcase their property listings. And for individual properties, they can provide an experience by showcasing photos of certain rooms or the outdoors or other property features, including a floor map in a PDF format. So to sum it all up, Soliloquy is the most popular and best responsive image slider for your WordPress website. You can create stunning sliders for your photos, products, posts, events, PDFs, custom post types, almost anything you can imagine. And with extensions that range from WooCommerce support to thumbnails to themes, Soliloquy is the best supported solution on the market today.